Hey guys, Al here. I was hoping to be working on the truck this weekend, but I guess I was a little too tough on the Chevy too. I don't know if the light's any good here or not, but spun an axle tube loose. I actually popped the plug right out, the plug weld. Popped it right out. That one there was still in, but it was loose. And there's one more on the other side that's missing. So I got her lined back up and in place. I'm just going to weld it up. When that happened, I bent a perch, or one of the spring pads. This one here. So I'm going to replace those while I got it up here. And then just go looking for another rear end later when I have time. This is just what is it? Just a 7.5 out of an S10. It does have a posi and 456 gears, but it's definitely not strong enough to take the abuse. Okay, I'll get it welded up and hopefully get it back in the car today. Okay, so what I did here is I cleaned out the plug welds, re-welded everything right up, nice clean oversized plug welds, and then I took my grinder, cut grooves into here. This is actually cast iron, so it doesn't weld worth a crap. Heated it up, preheated it, and then I welded to the steel axle tube up into the groove, sort of like a cog, so that it should stop it from spinning, and hopefully the plug welds will do their job this time, until I find another one anyhow. It's a short rear end. With the tires I run underneath the back. An 8.8 Ford, still 2 inches long once you shorten it. So I'll probably end up getting one, buying some new axles and shortening both sides of an 8.8 to put in here. But there we go. Now I'll just have to change the spring mounts. Bent the driver's side because it was the passenger side that let loose. So all the torque went into one axle, and it, instead of breaking anything else, it just bent the perch. So I'm going to replace them both. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it kind of curves here. So yeah, for the price and the time it's going to take, I'll just throw on 2 new ones. Okay, so it's all back in now, ready to be broken again. And here's the plug welds and the welds I did to, like, little cogs to stop it from turning again. It should last long enough for me to find another rear end for it. I hope.